Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Nursing channel. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Ann Mruka, and in this channel we usually do nursing content, health talk, and also we usually talk about conditions that have been requested by our viewers, and also we have lifestyle and vlog. So if you're new here, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if you like the content, and don't forget to share, like and comment, and the most important thing, don't forget to turn your notification bell so that every time we post a video you will be the first person to be notified. So today I'm not going to talk about anything related to medical or related to health or related to health talk or related to nursing life, nursing school, but I'm going to talk about something very important related to maybe a newly graduate nurse or someone who is a nurse and looking for a job. So maybe you are a newly graduate nurse, or maybe you are someone who has ever had some experience in the background and you're looking for a nursing job. And the most difficult part of the interview, or when you are preparing to go for an interview, is what to put on when you are for the day of interview. So that is what we are going to talk about, what to put on when you are a nurse and you are going for an interview. Yeah, that is what we are going to focus on, and we are going to look at it all, everything about everything that you are supposed to put on, and specifically for nurses, because I know I'm not this channel mostly we usually focus on nursing part. So everything that I'm going to talk about here on what to put on when you are going for an interview is things related to nurses or a nurse who is looking for an interview. So stay tuned. So what you have to know, whether you are a new graduate or an experienced nurse, nailing the job interview is a key to get the position you want. While we are preparing and focusing on the experience and the skills and maybe the questions you will be asked on interview, don't forget to focus on what you will put on the day of interview. So for nurses, don't, because nurses usually put on uniforms or scrub on their daily activity, or most of the time when you're going to work. But when we are going for interview, putting on your uniform or scrub is a no. Don't put on your uniform or scrub when you are going for an interview. Remember, you are not going to take care of the patient in the hospital. You are going to meet people who are new to you. You are going to a field which is a professional. You're going to an environment that is looking for profession skills in you. Don't show them, they already know you are a nurse, and don't show them that you are coming to take care of the patient. They're already aware of that. So what to wear to a nursing interview is a crucial thing, and can outdo you, or can deduct some points or some marks, or can make you lose a job, or also can make you get a job. So let me say that this is the before we talk about everything that you will put on during or when you are approaching, or when you are for the day of interview for nurses, um, let us answer this question: can an outfit make or break the interview? That is the question we are going to answer. If you come in and don't look as put together, but you nail the interview, I can say that outfit will discount you from the job. But if you come in looking perfect and the interview is horrible, the outfit will not make up for it. Yeah? But at the same time, if you look floppy, and if you look sloppy, and you are kind in the middle, it will not help you to get the chance. If the only thing they can remember is your messy or inappropriate appearance and not your answers, it is not good to look and won't help you secure your job. What do I mean? I'm saying, don't look messy, don't look so kind, don't make them to think that you want them to sympathize with you so that you can secure the job. You should be neat, clean, decent, and composed. Yeah, that is what they might be looking for in maybe the first impression. And also remember, your purpose during a job interview is not to convey without words that you are stylish, trendy, and beautiful. Your goal is to convey that you are a high performer, and the hospital will be crazy to hire you. Yeah, they will be crazy. They would want to hire somebody like you. High performance look professional, neat and clean and prepared. While self-express is a beautiful thing when you are trying to demonstrate your reliability and competency for a particular profession, that is not the time to kneel on it. Yeah, that is not the time to kneel on it. So if you are a fashionist and you want to show those people that you are a fashionist, that is not the right time. Wait and you secure the job so that you can after you have secured the job, now you can put on different types of scrub, you can style them the way you want, and that will be okay. Yeah, and remember, don't put on scrubs and uniform during a nursing interview. Now let's go to how you will look, from the head, from the ears, from the attire, the nails, and the shoes. For the hair, don't put on hair or don't plait your hair with shouting colors. Don't have maybe a blue. Don't put on blue colors on your hairs. Don't put a white color on your hair. For the best, I prefer you should have a black hair, and maybe if it is not black, maybe brownish, not that shouting brown, but maybe a little brown. Don't have a huge hair. Don't have a huge hair. And because remember, you are a nurse and you're going to take care of the patient, don't also have long hair. Your hair should be short, clean, and neat. For the attire, you can put on trousers, but remember, it should be official. Yeah, it should be official. I think you can relate what I'm talking about. You can put on simple suit, or you can put on matching outfit, but remember, they should be official. Yeah, they should be official attire. You already know what I'm talking about. You should put on everything official. Don't put on tight clothes, don't put on short clothes, don't put on casual attire, and also don't put on heavy shouting colors like yellow. Yeah, you're not coming to the show. Don't put on shouting pink. And I will prefer that you put on white, black, gray, and maybe blue or navy blue. Those are the colors preferred for an interview. Remember, I said you can put on trousers, but let it be something that is official. Yeah, put on trousers if you like, but let it be something that is official. For the shoes, for nurses, you're not going for an office interview and you're not going for a business interview. So remember, the type of shoes that you should put here is a flat or low high heel shoes that is not shouting. Everything should not be shouting. Everything should be you should keep it low. Maybe black or brown, those are the kind of shoes that you can put on. And also not shoes that make noise when you get in for an interview. Put on low high heel shoes or flat shoes that are not making noise, and they should not be having shouting colors. Nurses don't usually go to work with long nails, yeah? So remember, when you're going for an interview, don't have long nails. Don't put on stick-ons. Also, when you prefer polishing your nail, make sure you have a clear or colorless gel that are not shouting. For the earrings, you're not going for an office work, and you will not go for an office work. So you should put on something, those small earrings. Don't put on long earrings, and even if they are small earrings, don't let it not be something that is shouting. Don't put things that are red, yellow, I don't know which color. Put on something that is neat. I think you can relate what I'm talking about. Small earrings that are neat. And the last one, don't put on bracelets, necklaces, and what is that? Anklets. Don't put on necklaces. Don't put on what is this? Bracelets, and don't put on anklets. If you have to put on something on your hands, have your own watch. Yeah, have a simple watch, and that is enough for that interview. I think I've really focused much on ladies, but I've left men. So let's talk about what men will put on when they are going for a nursing interview, because we also have nurses who are men, or we have male nurses. So for the men, what they should do on their hair, they should have short, neat, cut hair. Don't make styles when you're going for an interview. You will make those styles when you really secure a job. If dreadies are not for people who are in medical field, so if you have them, I don't know what you will do with them, but that is what I was told when I was in school. Nurses, doctors, they don't usually put on dreadlocks in the hospitals, but sometimes I usually see some doctors having dreadlocks. So I prefer, when you're going for an interview, don't make the interviewer or interviewee, whichever, someone who is interviewing you, to have to have bad impression on that specific hour. Maybe people usually view dreads as or dreadlocks, if you're putting on dreads, they usually view those people as somebody who is taking alcohol, somebody who is on drugs, or somebody who is a celebrity, and they will consider you that they will view you as somebody who will not be serious on his job or on her job. So don't put on, if you're a man, don't put on dreadlocks. For ladies, I think it's okay for them, but they should be short, neat, and clean. For men, don't do dreadlocks for a nursing interview. You should have short, neat, cut hair that is not shaggy. Okay. For the attire, don't put on suit. You can put on your tie, but don't put on suit. Have your official shirt, and remember the colors that I said you should not put on. Don't put on shouting colors. Don't put on a red shirt for a nursing interview. Don't put on something that is yellow, red. You can go for white, light blue, navy blue, those colors that I've already talked about. And also for the trousers, navy blue, brown, yeah, those are the type of, don't, in short, I'm saying put on official attires, but don't go for shouting colors, okay? And for the shoes, brown and black are the best for you. I know men, they don't put on heels, so they will have their shoes right, but maybe they can forget about the colors. But for the colors, go for brown and black. Bracelets, we said is a no. Necklace, we said is a no. So don't go for those. Everything else, I've already talked about it. So I think I've exhausted everything. But if you think that I've left something, you can comment there on the comment section. And also, if you think that I've said something that is not appropriate, you are also free to correct me on the comment section. Yeah, we are learning and we are helping one another. So if you feel that I've said something that is not right, you can comment there. And also, if you think that I've left something out, you can also comment it there on the comment section. We are not perfect, we are learning, all of that, all of us. So don't get shy that maybe I've left something, or maybe you want to add something and you think that somebody will view you on another level. Just do whatever I've told you. So I think I'm going to stop from there. So let's meet in the next video. Bye till next time.